with me, Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a wonderful South Indian style starter snack recipe. This is Kola Urundai. Now usually this is made with mutton, but today I'm going to make this recipe using plantains. It's a very tasty starter snack, so let's get started and check it out.
Here are all the ingredients needed for this recipe. First step is to boil the plantains. Take 2 plantains, cut them into half and place them in a pressure cooker. Add enough water, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and close the lid. Cook the plantains for about 4 whistles. Once done, switch off the stove and let the pressure release naturally. Remove the cooked plantains and allow them to cool down completely. Once cooled, peel off the skin and transfer the plantains to a bowl. You can mash them using a masher or you just use your hands, or you can also pulse them in the mixer jar for a lump-free, smooth consistency. I'm mashing the cooked plantains using a masher. Now since there are a couple of lumps, I'm just adding this to the mixer jar and I'm just going to pulse it a few times. The consistency is smooth and soft now, there are no more lumps. Transfer this to the bowl and keep it aside. Heat 2 teaspoons of oil in a pan. Add 1 onion finely chopped, 8 cloves of garlic, 1 piece of ginger chopped, 3 green chillies slit. Add 3 dry red chillies and saute everything. After 2 minutes, add fresh curry leaves, 1.5 teaspoons of fennel seeds and 1 cup of freshly grated coconut, 1 cup of roasted gram and saute. Now add 1 teaspoon of rock salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and some fresh coriander leaves. Mix everything well. Turn off the stove, transfer the mixture to the plate and cool it completely. Once the ingredients have cooled down, grind it in a mixer jar on pulse mode to a slightly coarse texture. Combine this aromatic mixture with the mashed plantain and mix it thoroughly. Next, apply a little oil onto your palms, take small portions of the mixture and shape them into marble-sized balls. Repeat this till all the mixture is used up. Heat enough oil in a kadai over medium flame. Gently drop the balls into the hot oil in small batches. Fry them till they've turned to a lovely, gorgeous golden brown color. Make sure to flip them at intervals so that they cook through evenly. Once done, remove them from the oil and place it in a bowl. There you go, here are these delicious, tasty and crispy Plantain Kola Urundais. They make for a perfect starter snack. They're great for parties, get-togethers and even high tea.
So you can see we've made these delicious Plantain Kola Urundais. That means these plantain deep fried balls, and I can't wait to try them. Look at that. Yummy. Just perfect. The flavors are just wonderful. You can't imagine that you can actually make something this delicious, which is plantains. Wonderful flavor and texture. It's so nice. It's well cooked on the inside and it's nice and crispy on the outside. Makes for a wonderful starter. So you want to make something special to impress your family and friends on any special occasions, this is one dish I would highly recommend. So do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys, and don't forget to share it with your family and friends while I finish this. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications.
The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.